Crab mentality. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng crab mentality? Saan po galing ito? Well, there was a man who observed na kapag isang alimasag, ilagay mo sa balde, hayaan mo siya, lalabas yun, makakalabas yun. However, pag mayroon ka 5 alimango na ilagay mo sa balde, none of them will come out. Dahil sila sa loob ng balde ay naghihilahan. Walang makakalabas kasi naguunahan sino makalabas sa kanila. That is the root word kung saan galing yung crab mentality na parang idiomatic expression. That means nobody can come out from this bucket dahil tayo ay hindi nagtutulungan. Mga kapatid, if there's somebody tells you na ikaw ay hindi magsasucceed sa buhay, despite na ikaw ay desidido that to pursue that goal because you think that goal is worthy of pursuing, but somebody will tell you, no, don't pursue that. You will fail. Believe me, that guy, kung sino man yung nag-advise sa'yo, has already failed in his life. He has given up his ambition in life and that he wants you to give up as well. So believe me mga kapatid, ang tao na nagbebenta ng treasure map, okay? Paikot-ikot, binibenta niya ang treasure map. Hey, ito may treasure map doon, bilhin nyo itong mapa ko. Believe me, that is hoax. Kasi kung totoo yung mapa na yan, wala siya dyan, hindi siya nagbebenta. Andun na siya, hinuhukay na yung treasure na yon. The same is true with a friend na nag-a-appear, kunyari, nagko-consult sa'yo, kunyari, nagbibigay sa'yo ng advice that don't do that. Actually, he is not concerned on you. He is just trying to make you fail the same as he failed. Kapatid, if you have a worthy of goal, pursue it. No matter sino nagsabi. No matter what are the odds are. Remember, everything are impossible in the beginning until it becomes possible. Lahat ng invention dito sa mundo na nagagamit, nakikita mo, cars, airplanes, cell phones, computers, all of them were impossible. And then somebody thinks it is possible, and then through hardship, through hard work, it becomes possible. The same is true with your goal. It is possible. You will succeed in life. You will take out this negativity from your life, then you will have success. You will get out from poverty. You will get out from this trap of life kung saan nasasadlak ka ngayon. Just believe that this is a worthy goal for you to pursue. You have your God, you have your body, strong and sharp mind. Use it. Don't listen to some losers. Alright? Ako si Tad Daily, encouraging you to pursue whatever goal you have in life. Don't listen to some losers. Okay? Magandang umaga, magandang gabi. Bye-bye. Happy Monday.